So here we have the panel that we're making up, a little nose panel for the 38 coupe. As you can see in the last video we did, we made up the paper pattern and we determined where the weld line was going to be, and then we shaped up that panel to fit the original panel. So now our next stage is to set up to make the top section. As you can see, the transition here, we have a flatness, we have a hole. The customer wanted this to be removed and shaped in as a complete shape. So what I've done is I've made up a paper pattern, and the paper pattern lays right up onto the weld line so that I've got probably about a half-inch overlap, just a nice little bit. We don't need too much material, don't need to shape anymore than we need to. And then I'm coming right into the flange that's going to be dropped down, and that drops into this little flange that has been rusted away. So what I've also done is I put a target zone in just for the video, just to make it easier, so that you can see where the shaping is, and that's got to be crowned up, and then this has got to be fluted out. So as you can see, I've made the paper pattern. I then take the paper pattern and put it on my material, and I've pre-marked it out just to move it along a bit quicker. Having done that, everything's ready to go. I marked on the target zone, transferred it through, and drew it on. So now I know that's the area that's going to be crowned up. And then we're looking at the reverse side, because that's the side I need to be hitting on, is that side. So that's why we have a target zone on the inside, so I know exactly where I'm going to be hitting on the sand welding shop bag. So we're also looking at the shape, the crown, as that flows through, in the mind's eye, how much shape is going to be put in this panel. Anyway, let's put a little shape in it. We'll do that on the lead shop bag, as I say. Just adjust the material so it gives me the right profile. So then you can see we're starting to get the crown this way, but we're also getting the crown through this way. We spin the panel around. And so as you can see, I use the target zone just so that it takes the guesswork out of the panel. And when we've put the shape in, then you just come back into our panel. And we're double checking to see, okay, are we in the right position? Is it starting to look nice? So we've stretched it up enough. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into the small English wheel, do a little bit of wheeling, a little bit of cleanup. But you can see how this panel is now going to transfer into this panel, and this is what I've got to make up the same. So a little bit of shaping, a little bit of rolling, same as in this one, and that's what we'll do.